Okay, welcome back everyone to another exciting video where we're going to talk about Midjourney version 5. And this is after quite a while that I'm coming back here to discuss about the improvements in the software and the quality of the images that we are getting through this new version. And I must say it's exceptional. So the way the technology has evolved over the period of last year, it's been phenomenal. We are seeing a lot of AI-driven tools which have really changed the landscape of how we produce art. And this is this is phenomenal advancement, and this is something that people like me or people like everybody else actually, they just wanted it to be that easy. And these AI tools have provided us the way to move forward and produce quality art with such an ease that everybody is like everybody has their jaw dropping. So without further ado, anyway, so we're going to jump into this and explore the version 5 prompts and see what we can produce out of it. And I have here with me, as you can see, I do have some test images which I just was playing around with version 5, and still you cannot see the extreme quality here, but I'm going to just produce the live images and see if we can work on and we can produce something much better of a quality. So we are gonna go with our prompts related to our favorite characters, and we are going to see what Midjourney version 5 produces. So imagine it's gonna be a female model in 90s clothing, maybe, and cinematic photography with Octane render and post-processing. Now, in order to use version 5, you should be using a specific version. You should be mentioning your specific version here, just like I'm doing here, --v space 5. So this is going to tell Midjourney to produce an image using version 5, and we're going to hit enter and see what we come up with. So let's see what we can pull out of it. As usual, it's going to take a bit of time, but of course, that's the beauty of what Midjourney produces after we have to be a little bit of patience. So it's loading. Let's see. It's coming up with something. And okay. 31%. Now, we have to understand how we started with Midjourney version 2, version 3, and then the version 4 came, and then this is now the version 5. This is a little bit different in terms of how we are producing images. You see, in version 2 and version 3, you had to give the software a little bit of context. You had to explain it. But this is where you are not explaining a lot of details about these characters. So, but you're still getting realistic characters almost. And yeah, let's actually upscale this first one. So we're gonna upscale it. Oh, it's pretty fast. Oh, why is that? Okay, so do we want to reroll? Maybe yes, maybe not. But that's cool. Yeah, this is cool. But we are going to probably make some variations of it and see. So we are going to remove the Octane render, and we are going to put ultra realistic here to see if we could just get that 3D kind of look out of here. So ultra realistic. or maybe hyper realistic. Hyper realistic, and I'm going to remove post processing from here. And let's see what we get here. So what I was talking about earlier was that in Midjourney version 2 and version 3, we had to just give a lot of context to these to produce certain sort of images. So, but here the you have to be very specific about the kind of details you want to get out of these images. And this is one of the beauty of these improvements which we are having. Not only the algorithms are improving and we are getting better quality images, but we have to give little details. We do not have to be that much descriptive in the contexts that we have to uh, give to the software. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna see what we come up with. Did it come with something? Well. Let's see. So we are gonna, I think version 2, yeah, this third one is a bit better. We're gonna upscale the third one. See? Oh, not bad. Not bad. And have you noticed in this image? So this is in 90s clothing, yeah, anyways, but did you look at the hand quality here? So the hands of this model are almost perfect, and the wrinkles, the curves, and the body shape, and the shape of the arm, this is pretty impressive. This was not possible with, or at least this was not perfect in the previous versions of Midjourney. So I could see, usually when I was producing images, I could see 6 hands or 6 fingers. I could even see about 7, 8 fingers. The hands were like mashed up and pretty awkward situation. So, but anyways, I mean, here version 5 is just it's out and it's sick and it's awesome. So we're gonna try another image and then I'm going to, stop this video and I'm going to let you play with version 5. You know how to just use it by looking at this video. So you just have to put dash dash version 5 and continue with your experiments, right? So we are going to just check another model. A female in her 20s woman. Let's talk about so remove it. Woman in her 20s, the middle of the green field, in the middle of the green field, right? And hyper realistic. And let's say if let's see if we actually give older prompts that we used. Baby here has a lies and hyper realistic. And do we need cinematic photography? Maybe we can do a reroll later on. So yeah, we're gonna do it. Photography, and it's gonna be version 5. Okay, let's see. What is the prompt and what is the output? Let's check that now. Oh, this AI technology has gone way beyond imagination. The way the computing power increased and the way the technology improved. This is just a killer. And while this image is actually, it's processing, I'm just thinking out loud here. So maybe, so people are talking about, loss of jobs. People are talking about loss of sheer original talent. But at the same time, I think it gives masses unprecedented opportunities to produce all the kind of content and all the kind of ideas just bring them to reality and put in front of the people and see what can be done. So anyways, our images are rolling up and probably we're gonna see some quality here. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. So we're gonna do the first one anyway. So let's upscale the first one. Yes, let's like make a little bit of variations here. So she's really in the middle of the field. Yeah, better. But it's hyper realistic, true. Standing. So maybe changing it a little bit. Standing in the middle of the green field. Let's try this one. Let's see what we get out of here. I'm enjoying my cup of coffee. Taking a bit of oil. 35%. Yeah, it just takes a bit. 71%. Okay, so maybe it stopped at 71%. What happened? Oh yeah, it's done. Not bad, I should say. So we're gonna upscale the third one. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'm satisfied with this for the sake of this exercise. These are not bad images. I think I like these ones. So anyways, I'm going to leave you to your experiments and stop here for the sake of length of this video. And eventually I'm gonna come back and with some exciting new experiments with Midjourney version 5. In the meantime, thank you very much for your support again. And you guys have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.